Hold on. Let's just wait for a few people. Hi Chitra. Hi Sweta. Everyone had dinner? I'm just preparing my dinner. Dinner is late today. So, hi Nita Das. Hi Indu. Yeah, dinner is late today. We just had outside food around 9 p.m. Was not hungry. So I thought let's just do live and talk to you people. How was your how did you celebrate your handloom days? Did you get to wear any handloom saris or suits or anything, any dupatta, and then celebrate it? Or no? Okay, let me quickly type in one thing. Please like the video and share as much as you can, because that will help to reach to maximum audience. Okay, I'm just pinning in my WhatsApp number, so people who ask joining in for the first time and who keeps asking about my WhatsApp number, I'm just trying to pin the comment, my WhatsApp number. 1 second. Okay. Hi Priya, thank you. You are always there to compliment me. So even if I'm crying or even if I'm sad, if I ask you how do I look, you'll say I look gorgeous. So that's by default. Thank you so much. Chandrika, hello. I hope you're doing good. Hi Dipti Rawat. I'm just trying to open a parcel while I wait for a few more people to join in, so I don't waste time. What do you want to see today? Just comment below, what do you want to see? Let's see if your intuition is correct. Thank you so much, Nita. I'm not sure if you're the one who ordered what was the sari? Cotton Patola sari. Was that you from Delhi? Hi Jen, how are you? It's been long time. What? 16, 17 years? I hope you're doing good. Jennifer, if you're listening to what I'm saying, I hope you're doing good. Thank you so much for following my page even after 15 years. What year was that? 2008 or 2009. Our team, we used to work together. Yeah, 12 years. Oh my goodness, long time. I'm so happy to see you on familiar face here from my previous workplace. I hope you're doing good. Hi Lekha, I received your dupatta. I will be sending it out on Monday. Today I just took off and I did not send any parcels, and I'm waiting for your parcel as well, waiting for the surprise from you. Hi Lina Shah, hi Shampagua. I hope everybody had their dinner and then it's free to watch this live. This is one Kanjivaram I wanted to show you guys, so I was just opening it up. And another one I have. So I was asking, what do you want to see today? Today I have been very clumsy. See, I hurt my finger here while chopping vegetables. I was trying to cut potato and then potato wanted to dance, so the knife cut my finger. No Lekha, I have not. You told me it will take 10 days, right? The courier people, they take longer these days, so I'm still waiting. I am excited about a painting that your daughter has sent for me. I cannot just wait. So sweet of her. Hi Archana, hi Priyanka. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. Please keep liking the video and share the video if you feel like, yeah. Hi Sudha. This is another Kanjivaram that I fell in love with, so I couldn't wait. Hi Soma, welcome to my live. Hi Manisha Bhatia. Why do I feel I know your name? Familiar. Bhavna's friend? Somili, hello. I'm from London. Want to buy pure authentic silk Moirangpi, please? Yes, you reached the right place. I'll show you in a bit, and then I'll share my WhatsApp number is pinned up there. The comment, you can reach out there and we can share available silk Moirangpi sarees. Thank you so much for joining in from London. Seema, hello. Hi Ridya. I hope you're doing good. You sent me a message about your friend wearing a sari or something, and then I completely missed to respond that message. I have to go back to my messages. My weekend has been weekday has been quite busy. This is beautiful sari. I'll open it up. I'll show later. Okay, this is dual color. This is palla and this is body. Beautiful. I like this kind of saris. You know, very plain, which you can wear for functions as well as for office also. I mainly look for office wear saris. This is very classic piece. This is a border. Hi Neha Gupta. Hi Sandeepa Das. Hi Kalyani. Okay. So today my plan was to show you all ajrak, 4 or 5 ajraks that came. Then I'm going to show you guys my Moirangpi Phanek Infi collection. Moirangpi saris, little bit of saris there. To ship to US, and then some collection, Phanekpi collection that I'll be shipping on Monday for customer orders. So I'll just show you around. And what else do I have? Okay. I wanted to understand, okay? I wanted to understand whoever is watching this video, 50 people are watching right now. Do you know what is Moirangpi sari? If yes, then do you know how to identify pure authentic Moirangpi sari? Because I have few examples from other states which looks like Moirangpi sari but actually not Moirangpi sari. So I can quickly take 5 minutes to explain how do you identify a genuine Moirangpi sari from other states sari. So you can comment in, whoever is interested, and then I can just show you the differences, what do you look for in order to identify a Moirangpi sari. Hi Sakshi Verma, no idea. Okay, that's why I'm here. That's why I thought, okay, it's important for all of us to know how to identify it, because many of the states are just trying, you know, replicating same design, and then they're selling as a Moirangpi, or they're calling it as a Manipuri design. So there was one page, I think that was from Assam, and then what they did was, I think they pick up one of these Phanek motifs, and then they weave it on the palla, this border, and then they are calling it as a Manipuri sari. So there is no connection of Manipur weavers or Manipur fabric or Manipur yarn. It's just this motif. They pick it up and they put it in their loom design, and then they are selling as Manipur saris. And people are asking me, is this Manipur sari? I said like, no, it's not Manipur sari. It's woven in Assam sari, and they're calling it Manipuri sari maybe just because of the design. So I think as a consumer, we need to be aware of what we are purchasing, and by not just going with what the seller is saying. The seller also have no idea what the weaver is selling or the supplier is saying. They will again communicate the same to you. So I thought it's important. I'll just quickly start, okay? How to identify Moirangpi sari. This is authentic pure Moirangpi sari. All all the Moirangpi sari will have this temple border. Okay, this temple border, that means Moirang is a place name. So during the kings and queens time, this particular motif was woven for men's and women's clothing, and this particular temple border, it's called Moirang Pizin. Pizin means the border. Okay, so Moirang Pizin, that's the Moirangpi motif. Now I'll show you very similar. Again, looks like Moirangpi sari, but I'll tell you the difference. This has a temple border. Again, so if you notice the temple border here, it goes as a pyramid, right? It goes as a triangle, and there is no upward line over here. So that's the difference. Most of the handloom pieces from Orissa, this is from Andhra and other states like Maharashtra, their temple border is mostly like this only, just a simple triangle or a pyramid. Okay, in our Moirangpi, temple border is different. It goes up like a block, rectangle, and then triangle, and then this sharp line. That's one thread going up, just one thread going and then coming back. That's the motif. It's a temple border. Okay, now that's two identifier. One is just pyramid, and second one has a line in the middle and a block here as a rectangle. But the one I just showed you, this is Bengal. Now it has the same thing, right? They tried everything same, so it looks the same. It has a rectangle box or a square, and then it comes up as a triangle, and it goes up as a line, one single line. Very similar to Moirangpi. Now the mistake that they made is because they haven't been to Manipur. They haven't seen Manipuri weavers, how the weaving is done. They're just trying to replicate from the photograph. So when they see the photograph, they try to replicate the motif, but they don't know the technique what Manipuri weavers are using. Hi Mahalakshmi, thanks for joining in. I tried live on the other group, it didn't happen, so I thought, like, you know, makeup and everything is done, why not do the live over here? Okay, so I was just explaining how to differentiate. I was at point number 1, temple border. Temple border has been already done, pyramid, and this extra line over here in the middle. Now the second point is this particular black thread, which is making as a temple border, it starts from here till the end. So this black thread, it will come till here, then weaving goes like this till the end. So there is no breaking point over here. It's just one temple block. Okay, now I'll show you here. This border is separate. From here till here is separate, the thread. Do you see the temple is starting from here? So the warp, they have done the border separately, and this is weaving the borders from the temple from the border, not reaching till the end. So that's 2. That's point number 2 identifier. Authentic Moirangpi will always come till the end. This thread will come till the end like this, and this is not authentic. Okay, this is trying to copy but failed. I'll give 90.4 days out of 100 because it looks exactly like the same, but only an expert will know the difference, that it's not a authentic Moirangpi. Someone said, I love you so much. I love you too so much. Kavita, I love you too. Shampa Goa, thanks for your information. Yes, I'll keep, adding the things that I have learned and things that I have noticed, because many sellers are just trying to earn quick money and then trying left, right, and center to copy designs from each and everywhere. So that's point number 2. Point number 1 is the temple border, pyramid, and the middle line. Point number 2 is this thread goes till the end, till the border. Third point is the motifs. The motifs that's on a Moirangpi, I'm doing it close Okay, you see the outer, the end threads here, so you go up and down and up and down and up. Now this thread ends is, this one is the correct side. Why? Because if you look at from the far, you can see the thread ends as a outline. So when you do a drawing, you make the outline little darker than the inside one. So from here you can see the outline is dark. Like for example over here the outline is dark, so you know what shape is this. The shape of the flower, you can see there is an outline, the petal outline. That's the thread end. For example, you can see the flag over here, the outline over here. And in this one, this is Ponduru Khadi, okay? The thread end is not on this side. Can you see outline over here? No, right? The petal ending outline, they put a gap over here. Now, this will be their actual side, and this is their reverse side. You can see the thread ends here. So outline is actually giving on the reverse side. In Manipur Moirangthi, this side would have been the correct side because of the thread end. So what things that Manipuri weaver try to keep in mind when they're weaving is, they try to pull this thread till the end and make it as a very fine piece so that you don't see any of this rough threads or rough edges. So when I was in Manipur, I took this kind of Jamdani saris, extra wear saris, and gave it to them, and then they saw and they see the reverse and they see this side and they say like, it's so roughly done, it's not time consuming, like, because they weave it with so perfection that everything has to be pulled neatly so it becomes outline. That's the third point. The ulta side of other states Jamdani will be the correct side for Manipur Moirangthi Jamdani. Okay, too much of information, right? Only 3 information how to identify a Moirangthi sari. It's a very pretty Ponduru sari. Hi Shamubi, thank you so much. Thank you for coming and thank you for watching. I'm so sorry, the sari that I sent, it was the exact same color that you have asked for. Maybe in the photograph it was different, you expected something different, but that's the exact same that you know, I had. That's the only single piece that I had. Shampa, thank you so much. Just trying to interact with you so that you don't get bored. Hi Lavanya, hi Shushma Dhiman. I'm sorry Shushma Dhiman, you asked for something and I forgot. You asked for some saris or something that you wanted and then I forgot to respond on that one. I'll come back. Okay, so clear on how to identify Moirangthi saris. Now I forgot a name. Someone was watching from London, wanted to see Moirangthi sari in silk. If you are still watching, this is one Moirangthi sari that I was just displaying and showing as an example. Tassels are done on request, so whenever you confirm your order, you can ask if you want to do these tassels. They take extra, I think 200 rupees, 150 or 200 rupees. This is pure mulberry processed, okay? This is not raw mulberry. This is processed fine mulberry silk, very soft. That's the pallu, completely hand woven, and the sari itself has a GI tag of Moirangthi, and the motif also has a GI tag for the special motif called Shapi Lanpi. This particular motif was, you know, earlier days in during what, old times when kings and everyone used to go to the war, they embroider this motif. It has all the elements of going to war, like you have elephant, you have shield, you have your Manipur flag. This is Manipur flag, okay? The elephant is carrying the Manipur flag. This is another shield or flower. All the things that elements that you go to war. When you come back as a victory, you won the war, the king will be presenting the shawl to the chief of the group, of the army. So it has a very meaningful history around it, and now it has been done on shawls. Embroideries are still doing, and we have come up with the same motif on saris. History, it has history, so it has special GI tag. What is the width of Manipuri silk sari? See, we are short people, so thinking about our customer base, they used to weave 42 Russian silks or cotton saris. They used to weave 42, but the demand for Moirang-Phir saris outside Manipur has been increased in the last 4-5 years. So they have started weaving 44 to 46. 46 is very rare, but 44 is standard. 44 inches width and 5.5 meters length, and only on silk saris blouse piece will come 80 centimeters. Yeah, this price range is around 22 to 24,000 because of the motif. And if it's normal motif like floral, it will be around 18,000, 19,000, and if it's peacock motif, it will be around 22,000, 21 to 22,000, pure mulberry silk. This is the highest costing fabric in Moirang-Phir sari. So if it's complete full work, then it goes up to 60,000-70,000 also, because it will be time consuming to make. Anybody has any questions? You can just comment. Whatever you have doubt. Let me just fold it. Hi Dulali, welcome to my live show. Just keep sending those hearts and those thumbs up, whoever is watching and active. Hi Rekha. Let me just fold this one, and I'll show you all Ajrak saris. Do you have cotton Moirang-Phir sari, Nita? Yes, we have lots of cotton Moirang-Phir sari, but I'm going to show you only the customer orders because all the stocks are with weavers. You need to confirm the order on our WhatsApp, and then I can send it to you. So in cotton I have 4, which has to be sent out to my US customer on Monday. So whatever you want, you require, you need to send me on WhatsApp. I will share all the available ones, and then you can choose from there. This is a beautiful lavender color. This is parrot green, a little darker than the video. This is yellow, and this is white and black. White and black is beautiful combination. Very, very classy. That's the body of the sari. Body of the sari will have all these small flowers, booties. And this is the palla of the sari. So cotton saris, they don't come with blouse piece, okay? They are without blouse piece, like that. It's cotton, little bit starch. Cotton range starts from 4,800. It goes up to 11,000 basis the work and motifs along the border. I'll just show you the difference. This one is, I think, 48 to 54, depending on how beautiful and intricate the work is, how experienced the weaver was. Even if the motif and everything is same, sari is same, if it's woven by an inexperienced weaver, the costing is less. So it will not be same, unlike other saris. So the more experienced person weaver takes more money. I wanted to show you. Yeah, this one. This one has temple border along with the floral border. So this requires more handwork, more time. So it's cotton, and the cost is around 11,000. The normal, only the temple border, was around 5,000. This one, because it has border, floral border, 11,000, 11 to 12,000. It's a beautiful lavender shade. It's cotton, okay, pure cotton, no mix. No blouse piece on these cotton pieces. Like that. Hi Pooja, how are you? I hope you had a good dinner. Enjoying Saturday. Wait, I'll just take it. Thank you so much, whoever pressing in hearts. Thank you so much for sending all the hearts. It really motivates me. Hi Priyanka. Priyanka Gogoi. Priyanka Gogoi is from Assam, right? Your last name sounds like you're from Assam. Maybe staying somewhere else. Hi Shweta. Please keep liking the video and share the video. This is again another Morangi green color. Green with red combination. So the border is striking because of the body. It's a contrast color combination. Pooja, yeah, you in bed and then I'm here doing live and entertaining all of you. Sari you got today. When are you going to wear the sari you got today? I'm so excited to see you in that sari. I know that's a little unique shade than we usually find. So no need to worry, you look beautiful in that one. I guarantee 100%. Hi Mritika. Welcome to my live. Hi Susnigda. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrect. Nita Das. Okay, this is a yellow one. This is not turmeric yellow, but a little pale towards lime yellow. Again, it has border around 11,000 range. Pure authentic Morang P sari in cotton with temple border and floral booties and floral on the palla. 11,000 range. Okay. So those are the saris that I had for today. Whoever is interested, just link is given. You can just send message and then I shall respond to your request. Okay. Ajrak. I was trying to show Ajrak. Look at my belly. This belt used to be loose, okay? When I bought it, it used to be loose, and then when I used to wear it here, it used to come down till here. Now you can tell how much I'm eating. It's tight now. It's sitting right there. I need to do exercise. Okay, this one is a little different than the last week one that I uploaded. This has this zari pata. It's woven. That's the back side. That's the front side. Fabric is model silk. The craft is Ajrak from Gujarat. And this has woven zari motifs. We can see elephant, parrot, peacock, and deer. Deer is so cute. Look at the flower and the deer. So this has this strip. And this will come at 5,000 range. 5,000 rupees. Pure authentic. Okay, nowadays there are what do you say, block prints from Rajasthan. Same color combination. They made the same blocks also. They use chemical. They don't follow the Ajrak dyeing process. It's very complicated. 20 to 30 steps are involved. You know, you need to bleach it, and then you need to dye it, you need to leave it sun dried, and etc. It's very tedious process. But Rajasthan, they're making the same prints, everything. You just simply need to block it. In price, you will get it at very cheaper price. Looks similar, but expert can tell that it's not an Ajrak, it's just a block print from Rajasthan. So you can be careful of that. They are selling mul cotton also around 1,000 range, and model silk. I haven't seen model silk there.
Can I come in?
No. Model silk I haven't seen, but in cottons they're doing a lot. Cottons in Chanderi, the Rajasthan people are replicating a lot. Ajrak, and they are calling it as Ajrak sari. I haven't tried one. So this is dull red. Okay, all the Ajrak saris are natural dye, so all the colors will be dull. This is made out of indigo, then black, then this red. If you see pink and all those bright colors, those are not natural color, natural dye. This is another one. Oh, this has this motif. It's good for Navratra coming up here. It's like Dandiya theme. Women and a man dancing. They have these sticks here. So the theme is Dandiya dance. The color combination is green with the yellow and black and red. It has this paisley motifs. So it has 3 of these paisley lines and this leopard print. First time I'm seeing leopard print on this Ajrak, and then I'm like, yes, I need to get this because I have been getting all the normal blocks. I need to get this leopard print. Tongue twister. It's very flowy, fluid, what do you say? The fabric drapes nicely and falls nicely. Model silk any day. Hi Tanya, hi Kiran. Hi Sunita. Thank you for watching my live. That's a green combination. This one is, I love this combination. This is blue with the black. Blue with the black. Let's see what is this. Again, similar zari woven motifs that I'm wearing right now. Just the color combination is different. Yes, Tanya, hi. Thank you for joining in. It has different motif from here till here. Then the border has different motifs here, so I'll show close up. So from here it's like a big circle, then towards the end it has just a flower, just this flower line, just to keep distinction of the border and the body. Like that. Hi Sunita, these are all model silk authentic Ajrak from Gujarat, priced at 5,000 rupees. So my WhatsApp number is there in the comment. You can click on that link and then you can just send me the screenshot. Or if you want to see more designs in different weaves. Hi Nazia. Okay, this was black and blue. And this is different motifs now. This is just looks like dahlia or rose motif. like 3 of these stripes. Oh, four of these stripes. This has this zigzag border towards the end, and floral print here, upper side. So one thing that you need to note, all this lagri patta, or they call it zari patta, they have this border is curled up. Okay, no matter how many times you try to press it out and flatten it out, it will just curl up. So you can just wear it as a peacoat kind of a thing. It doesn't affect the look much. See, this one, it's already curled inside, but it doesn't make me uncomforting, and even the look wise also, it doesn't make any difference. So you don't need to worry that why it's curling up. It's normal. That's all we had in Ajrak. Wanted to show you this Kanjivaram, beautiful one. I was just opening it when I was starting the live. Hi Vipika. Lovely sari. It's pure Kanjivaram sari with silk mark, and it has a contrast blue color, sky blue color contrast, and body is plain black with this zari. This is very good for corporate or office, especially for lawyers. They will look fabulous with this and their black coat. They look awesome. I just couldn't stop getting this because this was very striking. I need to check the price of this. I was so excited, I just opened it up to show you everybody. This has blouse piece also, same color as pallu color. Beautiful color, yeah, Priya. It's a beautiful color. I feel like take all the beautiful ones for myself. Okay, that's all. And this is for another customer order. It's peacock green, peacock blue. So it's a dual shade of green. The warp is green and the weft is blue. So it makes dual shade. I'm not opening this up. Just keep it like that. Hi Abe. Okay. I'll just show a few of the Manipur Phanek and piece so that I can save the recording and then I can upload it on different platforms. So, this one is first one. Beautiful color combination, black and white. I love black and white. I'm liking black these days. So this is again Moirangi. The fabric is cotton, and this is piece separate like dupatta, and this is Phanek, the skirt. The striped skirts, this for formal occasions, and this you can wear as a dupatta for your suits. So you can buy separates or you can buy as a set and keep wearing it at a multi-purpose. So it will give a very nice look, dupatta look. So this is around 22 range to 2,200 for cotton. Silk will go up around 5,000. Different motifs are there, different fabrics are there, so price range will be different. Like that. That's one cotton. This is another beautiful set. This is for another customer. Lovely color combination. She picked up silk. The dupatta is silk. This is around 5,000 to 6,000 range, and this is the Phanek. how we match it. And none of the Manipuri bought it, okay? It's all people outside Manipur. They try to appreciate, and they want to try different traditional attire. So they got these. They can wear it as a half sari also with the skirt or a dupatta. This will go very nice with a chanderi suit. Very nice dupatta. Another yellow. This is cotton 2200 range, and this is the panek set. This is embroidered. This is hand woven. After that, this is given to embroidery people. They embroider it, and this is completely hand woven, the motifs. That's yellow. That's very light powder blue. It looks like white in the video, but it's powder blue. Again, this is flower embroidered. That's the skirt stripe, and this is the dupatta. All the free. This is pink one, pink with black, and this one is the skirt border, roses. No, Shweta, these are our Manipur traditional dress called panek and P. P is the dupatta, panek is the skirt. So you wear it as a skirt with a top or a blouse, and you drape it as a dupatta or a half sari. And otherwise you wear only the dupatta as a dupatta for your suits that you have. Here is, this is pure silk. So both, it's pure silk set. This is the skirt, this is the dupatta, complete matching dupatta. This is higher range because it's pure silk. I think 7,000, 8,000 for the set. This is silk again. That's a skirt, and that's a dupatta, lime green dupatta with pink border. How can I get the blouse or crop top you're wearing? It looks very trendy. Supriya, I don't know. I got this from Forever 21. Yeah, Forever 21, 3 or 4 years back. I don't think so they have it now. It's very trendy, by the way. So you zip it up, and it's a halter neck. So whenever you go to the shop or whenever you're free before you sleep, explore all the websites that I buy my crop tops from, and then you'll be able to find trendy ones, new ones. So you can check Forever 21, Zara, H&M. They have awesome crop tops for your blouse. This is pure mulberry silk dupatta. This is around 7,000 range. That. And that will be the matching skirt. Matching skirt. Yes, Supriya, I also did a YouTube video last year. So you can just search in YouTube top crop top brands for saris, and you'll be able to find my video, and then you can see all different kinds of crop tops were shown, and then their websites were given. So you can have a look. Okay, so those are the sets, panek and free from Manipur. I'll show you one tribal. Notice we have lots and lots of different community and tribal. Okay, each community they will have different motifs and different patterns, and different fabric also woven. So this is one of the community from Manipur, and this is their traditional attire. This is completely woolen because they stay in the hill and then the temperature is really cold, so they need woolen thick fabric to keep themselves warm. The base fabric is hand woven. After that, this is embroidered by hand, the motifs. So this is the skirt, and they have their matching shawl. So like that. Completely tribal. So people who are staying in very colder region, they can take this unique piece. Even people take it to keep it as a showpiece, frame it nicely, and then nicely put it over there, like display it. Who is that asking? Swati Kapil, what happened to your hair? My hair, I shaved my hair off. Yeah, that's what it happened. And we have Nayan Moni Saika. Hello, hi Sweta. Okay, I think people are just done with your dinner. They're just joining in. Sweta, hello. Hi Pooja, you're late Pooja. What were you doing? I told you I'll come 10 p.m. sharp, right? It's going to be 11. I hope you had a good dinner. Hi Devika. But why? You're looking pretty in both, but why? Okay, it's a long answer, Swati. So many people have asked the same, and then I have been answering for the past 2 weeks. The reason that why I shaved my hair off, is because I am supporting my friends who are struggling with their hair fall and who are suffering from cancer. They lost their hair through chemotherapy, and then they are under depression. They think that people will laugh on them. They think that they can't go out, they are ugly, they don't feel like, the confidence has been killed. So I'm just trying to support them that you are you. You are not what your hair is. Even if you do not have your hair, I'm still me. So nothing has changed. Arya Ethnic is still there. I'm still the mother of my kids. My kids still love me. So that's why. I hope you got your answer. And then I hope every one of you also comes up and then support the people who are suffering depression in that way. I hope you got your answer. I'm tired of answering and explaining the same thing over and over and over again. Pooja busy with kids. What are they doing? I know it's Saturday. They will be sleeping late because they won't have class tomorrow. Again, you're saying I'm gorgeous, Priya. What do I do? I should come over to your house and stay with you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Tanya De, such a great act. Kudos, and you're right. You're still beautiful without hair. I mean, who looks at the hair? Who looks at the makeup? Or who looks at the outer physical appearance when you can directly see the heart inside? So that's what, if you're live for a cause and then inspire people who are struggling. Lots of GAN today, huh? I'm showing around Manipur. Now I'll show Mizoram. This is Mizoram skirt, completely hand woven. It takes lots of time to weave these motifs. Completely hand woven. This is not embroidered. That's a flower, very beautiful multicolor flower. Love your sari, Pooja. Yeah. I know all the saris are beautiful. Supriya, thank you so much. Thank you. This is, I was saying, Mizoram. This is skirt. So in Mizoram, they wear this skirt and they wear a formal top and they wear a scarf. The width will be half of this size, and they wrap around like this. Very pretty one. So if you hang out more on Arya Ethnic, you're going to see more of northeastern clothing. I'm trying to still get a hold of Meghalaya clothes. Rest Nagaland is same, and Mizoram is also same. So they wear the scarf like this when they go to church or they go for any marriage or occasions. They will wear the skirt, a top, and a shawl like this. They look very, very graceful. Mahalakshmi, I don't think so, because all the northeast region are very cold. That's why they use woolen yarn, but it's one ply woolen yarn, so it's very hot. You can't stitch for winters. Yes, you can stitch kurta, you're right, but in summer you will be like burning like this. You can stitch a woolen kurta out of these. But the costing, because it's all hand done, this one was around 3,800 to 4,000, and lesser work with just stripes and work at the end like this, minimal. And this is at the middle. This is again completely hand done, like we make friendship bands, like that only they tie each of this thread, just like the knots, like that. And the fabric is woolen, so this part will come at the back. Again, the material is thick, good for winter, like this. They drape it like this. Mahalakshmi, no, then no. I don't recommend taking these, because it will be too hot and it will be just lying in your cupboard. So there are printed version that comes not hand woven, but that doesn't give that authentic, tribal weave. Though they get some in Indonesia in batik kind, in a very silk, very thin material. You can try those also. So we did Mizoram and Manipur today, and Gujarat, and how to identify Moirangthi sari. Anupama Maurya wants to be in my video. Are you sure? Anybody who wants to be in my video, if you're sending me request, I will just accept it, no matter what you're wearing, makeup is on or not. Hi Lekha. Hi Anupama. I was just talking about you. Okay, largely, yeah, I was talking about these woolen ones. You can just simply buy the Moirangthi also. They come with suit then dupatta set. They can get those. And then I am done showing all the Manipuri Phanek and piece sets. You can watch the recording later on. Hi Bobby, how are you? Okay, just comment below, what do you want to see next live? What items or what things that we should discuss on our next live? Lots of hearts and thumbs ups coming up. Hi Rumade. It's almost 1 hour. It just went by quickly, and I hurt my finger. We ran out of band-aid, so my husband, he was too caring. He put this what do you call, gauze fabric on. It looks like I hurt a lot, severe. Manipuri cotton. Mahalakshmi, I am done showing all the Manipuri cotton dupattas. You can watch the recording later, but I'll just quickly show you some. This is Manipuri cotton dupatta. This is Phanek. You don't have to buy the set, because Phanek is again thick material. You will not be using it anywhere. You can only buy the dupatta. It's completely hand woven. It's 2200 because it's pure cotton. comes in silk, but this one is cotton. It gives you a very nice look. Blended ones also come, okay? Blended one is about 800 or something, but I really don't like the material. They call it Russian silk or something. Cottons are good. Cottons and silk are good. So I was just showing cotton dupattas. This is again another cotton dupatta in powder blue, very light color. This is again another cotton in pink. And there was one in white and black. Shweta, are you asking in this dupatta colors, or are you asking in some other item? This is cotton, lightweight. Lajali and Mahalakshmi, I was saying I was live on that group for like 20 minutes talking all alone. Nobody came in, so I decided I'll just do live on my page, because I had already prepared myself and, you know, fixing the items and everything. So that's the dupatta, 2200. Can I get Manipuri dress, my daughter? Yes, Lekha, you are the one, right? You asked me last time, so I'm still trying to get it. Market in Manipur is completely shut from the last 1 year. So what we are trying to get is, we are directly going to the weavers who are weaving this and getting the embroidery done. So we are going to their houses, not markets and shops. So for kids, we need to go to market once the market opens up, but cases are rising up there. So government has put a complete shutdown. Let's see when they open up, and I will definitely get one for your daughter. Yes, Mahalakshmi, you can ping on my WhatsApp. Yes, largely. I tried and then I gave up. Like 20 minutes I was talking all alone, so I gave up and I said like, okay, let me go to my group only. Supriya Sharma, can you get it in Assam silk? What in Assam silk? Are you asking saris in Assam silk, or are you asking mekhla chadar, the Assam traditional wear in Assam silk? Shweta, did you ask for your kids Manipuri wear? Please text me, and then I will get all the kids orders kept separately so I don't forget. Supriya again, okay, joining in. Alright, so I think that's all. This is lighter one for daily wear. This comes around 600 to 700 rupees. This is light Russian silk cotton blend skirt. Now people don't know how to wear the skirt, so I did this strap so they can just wear it like a wrap skirt, but that's not how usually we wear our panics. Okay, panics are worn differently, but for people who are not experienced, they just tie these straps and it will not fall off. So this I do for my kids, so it doesn't fall off like that. Thank you, whoever is sending in hearts. Thank you so much. Hi Pushpa, you joined late. Hi Aditi. We're just wrapping up. You can watch the recording later on. So it's 11 past 12. Thank you so much everyone for coming in live. I'll take your leave and say goodbye. Have a good night and happy Handlooms Day once again. And try to promote your local artisans, not necessarily me. I'm not asking you to buy only from me, but try to buy only from you know the sources who are actually working to promote local weavers, okay, so that this our rich art and handicrafts does not die, because we are here to save this art. Thank you. Good night everybody. Good night Lajli. Thank you. Take care. Hi Kumkum, time to say good night. You can watch the recording later on. Okay, bye bye everyone. Take care.